Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the basics fast. Check Android version and update Zarchiver. Next, go into Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Zarchiver, right arrow Permissions, and enable Storage and Files Access so the app can request SAF. Once done, if you're on Android 11 or later, prepare to use the Storage Access Framework or grant all files access in Special App Access. This is crucial because Android changed file rules, and Zarchiver needs explicit directory-level permission to avoid the Access Denied 2025 error. Now you grant the app a concrete folder handle. Open Zarchiver, try the built-in Open Directory or Select Folder option and choose the target folder. Confirm the SAF dialog so the app gets persistent URI access. If Zarchiver doesn't prompt, go to Settings, right arrow Special App Access, right arrow All Files Access, and enable it for Zarchiver. That supplies broader access under Android 11+. If strict enterprise restrictions block the GUI, use ADB from a trusted computer to assign storage access as a last resort tool. Finish by verifying the fix. Open Zarchiver and list or extract a small archive into the folder you granted. Successful read/write confirms resolution. If Access Denied 2025 still appears, revoke the folder permission and re-grant it through SAF, reboot the device, then test again. This refreshes permissions. If that fails, inspect device management policies or encryption settings and consider reinstalling Zarchiver. These are common hidden causes. One key troubleshooting tip: always re-grant SAF via the app's own selector rather than relying only on blanket settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.